Hello, welcome to our channel. We are happy to share simple ways to improve your health in natural ways. Today's topic is about something that flows through your entire body. Your blood. It carries oxygen. It delivers nutrients. It supports every organ. When your blood is balanced, your body feels strong. But when your system becomes overloaded, your body begins to show signs. Fatigue. Low energy. Dull appearance. This is where your daily food choices become important. Let's explore natural foods that support healthy blood. First, beetroot. Rich in nutrients that support circulation. It helps your blood flow more efficiently. Next, leafy greens. Spinach, parsley. Similar plants contain important elements that support blood health. They help your system stay balanced. Then berries. Blueberries, strawberries, similar fruits are rich in antioxidants. They protect your body from internal stress. Another important option, pomegranate. Known for supporting circulation. It helps your body maintain strong blood flow. Then garlic. It supports your system in a natural way. It helps your body function more effectively. These foods do not clean your blood instantly. They support your body gradually, day by day, meal by meal. Then something begins to change. Your energy improves. Your skin may look fresher. Your body feels stronger. Because your system becomes more balanced. This is not about quick solutions. This is about consistent care. Simple habits. Better food. Daily attention. Because your blood supports your entire body. Take care of it. Thank you for watching. If this helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe. Your support matters. Remember, your health is your greatest wealth. We will see you again in the next video. Stay healthy, take care,